Welcome back. Have you ever felt like your thoughts and emotions control you instead of the other way around? What if I told you that with a simple daily practice, you can take back that control, leading to feeling more centered, calm, and in alignment with the reality that you want to create? Meditation is one of the most powerful tools for managing thoughts and emotions. You see, it's not about stopping your thoughts, it's about becoming aware of them without reacting. When you practice meditation, you create space between stimulus and response. You start to notice patterns, recognize emotional triggers, and choose how to respond instead of reacting on autopilot. You see, meditation builds resilience to stress, helps you break negative cycles, and trains you on how to focus and live in the present moment. This is key for manifestation because the ability to shift your emotional state determines the reality that you create. Let's try something simple right now. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Now focus on your heart center. Imagine breathing into your chest, inhaling calm and exhaling tension. So, just for these few moments, let go of any stress, distractions, just be present. That's it. Just a few minutes of this daily can create massive shifts in your mindset, emotions, and even your external reality. This is just a glimpse of what meditation can do. Meditation literally rewires the brain, enhances emotional mastery, and aligns you with the energy of your desires. Start to incorporate this practice daily because mastering your inner world is the key to transforming your outer world.